Hey crypto enthusiasts! Josh here from Cryptomania, bringing you the hottest XRP news straight from the crypto world on this beautiful Saturday evening. Let's dive right into what's happening with XRP and why you should be paying close attention right now. XRP is approaching a critical moment that could determine its price trajectory for the coming months. The first major chart signal of 2025, it is emerging as we speak. The daily 50-day and 200-day simple moving averages are converging on the chart, setting up for either a golden cross or a death cross in the coming days. For those new to trading, a golden cross happens when the 50-day SMA crosses above the 200-day SMA, which is typically a bullish signal that could push prices higher. Alternatively, if the 50-day SMA falls below the 200-day SMA, we'd have a death cross on our hands, traditionally a bearish indicator suggesting downward momentum. This is especially significant because the last time XRP experienced a golden cross was in November 2024, which preceded an impressive bull run that saw XRP reach highs of 340 in January of this year. Will history repeat itself? That's what traders are watching closely. Looking at XRP's current price action, the token is currently experiencing some profit-taking after an explosive rise this week. On Thursday, XRP surged from lows of $2.117 to $2.329, gaining momentum above the daily SMA 50 at 2.61. The increase continued with XRP reaching a high of $2.43 early today. If this upward trend sustains, XRP could potentially target the $2.60s and even $3 levels next. But there's more good news on the horizon. The most significant development for XRP recently has been the official settlement between Ripple Labs and the SEC. Under the settlement agreement filed with the court on Thursday, Ripple will pay $50 million to the SEC, with the remainder of the escrow funds, just over $75 million, going back to Ripple. This is a massive win for Ripple, considering the SEC initially demanded a $2 billion fine. This legal clarity has boosted market confidence significantly, with XRP holding strong above the $2.30 level. Analysts are now buzzing about a potential climb to the $5 to $6.60 range if the current momentum continues. Another major catalyst that could send XRP soaring is the potential approval of a spot XRP ETF. Several applications, including one from Franklin Templeton, are in the pipeline. Market observers are pointing to June 17 as a key date when the SEC might sign off on a spot XRP ETF application. If approved, this could be the gateway to mainstream adoption for XRP, similar to what we saw with Bitcoin after its spot ETFs were approved in January 2024. On the business development front, healthcare infrastructure firm Wellgistics Health has announced plans to build out an XRP treasury and XRP-enabled payment infrastructure, further validating XRP's utility in real-world applications. It's worth noting that XRP's recent journey hasn't been without challenges. The token experienced a 5-session decline earlier this month, hitting $2.08 on May 6, down 7% over 5 days. However, support at the $2 level has proven to be rock solid, with whales reportedly accumulating tokens. When we look at the bigger picture, the damage done by the SEC lawsuit over the past several years has been substantial. While other cryptocurrencies were enjoying bull markets, XRP remained largely sidelined due to legal uncertainties. There was a brief moment of optimism in July 2023, when Judge Torres ruled that XRP was not a security in itself, which pushed the price from 0.42s to 0.9s overnight. But the SEC's decision to appeal reintroduced uncertainty. Now that the legal battle is finally over, XRP seems poised for growth without these constraints. The upcoming Apex 2025 summit in June could bring more positive news, with expectations of major partnership announcements and product updates. For XRP holders and potential investors, the next few weeks could be crucial. The combination of the potential chart cross, the finalized SEC settlement, and possible ETF approvals creates a perfect storm of catalysts that could propel XRP to new heights. That's all for today's XRP News Update. If you found this information valuable, don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe to Cryptomania for daily updates on XRP and the broader crypto market. Share this video with your crypto-curious friends, and don't forget to turn on notifications so you never miss another upload. This is Josh signing off. Until next time, keep your eyes on the charts.